Hey guys, I'm currently on the Caribbean Princess and I want to give you guys a brief room tour of our mini suite, part of the Reserve collection. So let me spin this thing around. Okay, so we are in cabin number Dolphin 332. As you come in, you've got a nice little entryway. You've got a great little table that you can put all of your belongings. You've got a cute little makeup mirror or just a mirror to help you get ready. And then you come into this great big closet that Princess is known for. And of course it's got shelving also in the top. Then you also have, oh, these are now mirrored. That didn't always used to be. So you have mirrors right here. And let me show you your space. And that's also gonna be where your security box is. Of course, your life jackets are also gonna be up there too. Okay. Moving on to the bathroom. So with mini suites with Princess, of course, you're gonna have a tub with your shower, so it's a little bit bigger. And then of course your sink, shelving, all the goodies. All right, moving on. So as you guys all know, I'm traveling with my mom. So we have a twin configuration for our beds, which of course separates your nightstands in this way. Caribbean Princess is an older ship, so you don't have any outlets or ways to charge things on your nightstands or on the lamps themselves like some of the other class ships do. So moving on to our desk area, which looks like this. Your plugs are going to be here, and that's all that you got right there, folks. So keep that in mind. Okay, then of course we have our little bar setup area. This is also going to be where your first TV is located. Your mini fridge, of course, will be right here underneath the bar area. I can get it open. There we go. Okay, and then moving on, this is your living area. Of course, this couch can be converted to a sleeper sofa, so if you have more than 2 people in your cabin, that will be available to pull out into a double bed. Okay, you've got some more shelving here. You have another TV that's right above, right there. They're good about having nice artwork, I will say. And that'd be the Pierre de Resistance. Going out into our balcony. Hold up so you guys can see. Okay, so this is our balcony. So you're gonna have 2 lounge chairs with a table. What a beautiful day, you guys. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. So that concludes the room tour for Caribbean Princess for a Reserve mini suite. If you guys like anything that I just did for your information, or if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, we would appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, like our video, and I will be posting some more, hopefully to give you guys some more information, specifically with the Reserve class collection, as this is something that we've not done before. So we're excited to share it with you guys. Have a great day.